Hi, I'm Kevin from Live Edge, and today we're going to learn how to repair damage on an oiled surface. The first thing that you want to do is identify the area that you want to repair. For me, it's going to be this area here. You can see all these scratches, and I'm going to sand them out using 120 grit sandpaper with my random orbit sander. Okay, so now I've removed all the damage on the wood. I'm going to switch over to some 220 grit sandpaper in order to match the finish I have on the rest of the table. Okay, so now that I've removed the scratches and sanded down to 220, I'm going to reapply the leftover oil I have from when I did my project initially, in this case, paprika. Okay, so now I'm going to apply the oil to the affected area and everywhere I sanded. And it's okay to go a little bit too far. I'm currently using a cheap dollar store brush. You don't need any fancy bristles to do this. Now that we have the oil applied, we're going to wait 10 to 15 minutes for the oil to cure. So now that our time has gone through, we're going to wipe off the excess oil using a dry rag. So as you can see over here, you can see where I sanded. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a little trick to blend this in to make it disappear. Okay, so I have my oil down. I'm going to use my 220 grit sandpaper that I had on my random orbit sander. And I'm just going to, I can wipe off the excess and see if I need to go further. And that's the end of our project. For more tips, tricks, and how-to videos, check out our IGTV, our website, or our YouTube channel. Have a great day.